I am shocked. I am shocked. You not speak English. Good morning. I hope all is well. The time is 7 a.m. I awaken my son. He goes washroom and change the uniform. Then I drop the school. So please, not going. Stay with me. Keep watching my complete vlog. Today my complete vlog in English because of some people asking me, you are not speak well English. I am shocked. My mostly subscriber in overseas. I discuss all issues in English. Please mention in comment box. Do you like my English? I speak well English or not? Please mention in comment box. And I drop my children and then I back when I discuss complete issue. Please don't forget, stay with me watching my video. So please, I invite our world. So please come visiting Pakistan and tourism, and I guardian you. We are taken to best food, Punjabi foods, food streets, and clothes and shopping more than other shoppings. I guide you. I tour with you and guide you. So please come and guys, this is a beautiful evening. See, beautiful. So I come my art studio and workshop. You see, this room is my art work and workshop. Oh, this is a canvas and ready to paint. Maybe today I start coloring and also canvases. So my wife is very upset. My workshop and my art studio is not clean, and she is cleaning. I asking, please don't touch my every painting and my colors. So you are please. This is my style. This is my style. Okay. So I see you. My artwork. 3 years, almost 3 years old. It's my art. This is my signature, Rustam. And this is also my art, Arabic horse. Arabic. This horse is Arabic. You see this face, Arabic horse. Very expensive. This is my signature. And my handmade painting, acrylic color on board. You see, beautiful eyes, beautiful face, beautiful female horse. Okay, and this painting, working woman, hard working woman in burqa. You see, and this is Kanaktiya Poriya. Some people don't understand Kanaktiya Poriya, and you see. So next vlog is my Androon Lahore, old city. Mostly overseas request me, you next vlog in old city Lahore, Badshah Masjid and Shahi Kila, and Mochi Phati, Luari, Data Sahab. This places is very beautiful and very heart touching, and I next visit and vlogs in Anzur Lahore inshallah. So please watching my video, like, subscribe my channel and bell icon button press. I upload the video and notification come to you. So my country young generation, mostly boys, going to the England, America, Canada, Germany. So he don't speak well English. Teach you. I teach you in English. So my my Pakistani people, overseas people, is very hard work and very loved him Pakistani people and very supported. So I thanks. So people, I hope you are like my today vlog. So, and I apologize. Some people don't understand English. I apologize. And my next vlog in Punjabi language. Okay. So please, I request again. Please don't challenge me. I don't speak English. I speak all time English, and my English is very heavy. Okay. So please, all people, my request, mention in the comments how to like my vlogs and my videos. So take care. Goodbye. See you next time.